Hello all, welcome back to another video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this card. Remember to check in the description box down below for materials that I use in this video. I made this card using paper scraps. As you all can see, I'm doing the letter M right here, and I'm going to use paper scrap to make the quilling flowers. So stay tuned. I have a second part of this video where I complete the entire card with a book style. So y'all stay tuned for the second part, which I will be posting next week Monday on my channel. So if you have a bunch of paper strips laying around in your stash, you can use them to make quilling cards, just like I did right here. All scrap, just use up them scraps. I have some more scrap videos coming up soon as well.